What's up, guys? Alex Corey here with cultivatedchange.com. I've had a number of requests from clients who are beginners who are just learning how to do compound movements and connect to various muscle groups to do an intro video that they can do at their house or whenever they don't have time to get to the gym to do a workout that I've programmed, which is exactly what I do. I do resistance band workouts at the house whenever I don't have time to go to the gym or get outside. So this is going to be a beginner, although it won't feel beginner, to intermediate resistance band only workout inside, just using something you can loop a resistance band around. And we're going to use our tried and true broken resistance band, which I find way more useful than a contiguous band. This is going to be full body, so all muscle groups. You don't really need a warm-up because it's designed to be a warm-up at the same time. You can go for a walk or do a little bit of core, but you're going to be bracing your core the entire time. So as you see fit, if you don't feel limber at all, by all means do some jumping jacks or high kicks or stretch, whatever you feel necessary. I always stretch at the end. This shouldn't take any more than 20 minutes. We're going to do a circuit of each exercise. I'm going to have abbreviated versions, so just do 15 to 20 reps per exercise. Key is squeeze. So that's how you really build that mind-muscle connection, and why I'm always sore for like 2 days after I do a resistance band workout, because you're not fighting gravity, holding weights or your own body weight. You can really keep constant tension and focus on the muscle that's supposed to be being worked with the movement, and make sure you're squeezing the correct muscle, which is why you feel it a couple days after. 3 sets of these, or as much as you have time for. We're going for high reps and really pushing that connection in the muscle. Let's get going.